Oppo has officially introduced the Oppo Pad 3 tablet alongside Reno 13 series smartphones, featuring a high refresh display and powerful internals. The tablet is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor, built on TSMC's advanced Ford-Ember process and Mali G615 MC6 GPU. It supports up to 12GB by LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage for seamless multitasking and efficient operation. The tablet runs on Android 15-based ColorOS 15, marking the first implementation of this operating system on an Oppo tablet. ColorOS 15 is designed to optimize tablet usability, offering a range of multitasking features and a user-friendly interface that enhances the overall device functionality. The Oppo Pad 3 features an 11.61 inches, 2.8K LCD display with a resolution of 2800 by 2000 pixels. It comes with a 144 Hz variable refresh rate, 700 nits of peak brightness, and a 480 Hz touch sampling rate. Additionally, it comes with stylus input support along with nano-textured paper-like writing technology, providing a realistic pen and paper experience ideal for professionals and creatives. The tablet is equipped with an 8-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. These cameras support basic photography and video calls, ensuring that users can capture moments and communicate effectively. Oppo Pad 3 equips a massive 9510 mAh battery and supports 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. This powerful battery setup ensures extended usage times, allowing users to work, play, and stay connected for longer periods without frequent recharges. The tablet features USB Type-C audio and 6 high-res certified speakers for an immersive audio experience. It comes with a sleek metal design, measuring just 6.29mm thick and weighing 533 grams. It equips Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, sharing for versatile connectivity and seamless data transfer. The tablet supports the Smart Keyboard, a specially designed accessory available separately. It connects via pogo pins and features 1.5mm key travel, an AI key for Brino Assistant, NFC one-touch connectivity, and a 120-degree adjustable angle, all in a lightweight 430 grams PU material build. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe